What's going on, guys? What is going on? Buys? Uh, Not really. Not right now, at least. Low key, I'm like kind of favoring the short a little more. What's going on here, buddy? What is going on? Gold, guys, I'm waiting for a short setup to take place. Yeah, 15 minutes CSD out of the 4-hour gap. That's exactly what I'm waiting for on gold. I haven't entered anything yet. NQ's kind of just slowly melting. I do have a position on NQ on my top step. On my top steps, I have a position on NQ. Kind of just waiting for this thing to play out. Nice and slow. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, man. Sitting in a gold buy. Yeah, gold, I mean, looks pretty solid for longs right now. I was looking at gold this morning, actually, for a long. And oh my god, that thing just, like, took off, bro. No pullback, nothing. So, yeah, gold long was pretty much the move. I got an NQ short like earlier, right around this 4-hour high. So my actual short level is 23,049, which was off of this 5-minute gap here, 23,049. Entered at this 5-minute gap once I saw this high get taken out and, like, some bearish order flow start to come in. So, yeah, I mean, right now I'm looking for this 4-hour low. I would like to see that 4-hour low. See if we can get that. Yeah, other than that, it's kind of like a waiting game here. We are inside of this 1-hour gap that I was interested in, potentially longing. It looked like a really nice daily PO3 inside of that 1-hour gap. From a long to like midterm perspective, especially for this week, it's really, really difficult. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, just gauging a weekly profile and whatnot. So right now we have Monday low of the week. Now either Wednesday where we swept all-time high, either that was high of the week and we kind of just reverse and go lower from here, or we see a bullish day tomorrow and then a bearish day on Friday. Okay. So far I'm like kind of hoping that we can, get lower. We kind of need it. So I'm hoping that we can get a little bit lower and have a Wednesday reversal. So this high should be intact and we should not crack that high. That's the hope here. And then, yeah, we'll kind of just take it from there. I think tonight should provide some good opportunities. I'm not going to lie. I think tonight we should have some decent entries. If not tonight, then tomorrow morning, at least. Like, tomorrow should be a pretty solid day to be trading. Okay. So, yeah, we'll see. Man, gold, bro. Gold. That thing is ripping. Oh my god. Equivalent of NQ NAS 100? Yes. NAS 100 is the equivalent. Yeah, so I want to see a gold entry as well. It's just, it's kind of choppy. Gold's not doing too much. Nothing worth watching, at least. So we got to wait on gold. But NQ, I think NQ can provide a setup here soon. Targets for the downside, I'm looking at this right here, 919. 919 is a nice low, and then previous day low, which is 843. 919, 843. Those are my two targets for NQ here. For the downside. Gold, man. I really would like an entry on gold. Kind of buying a little high, you know? I don't really feel good about buying up here on gold. I think like the move would have been to long, or sorry, a long a lot lower than what we're trading at right now. NQ also, by the way, guys, we have this fair value gap, which we have not hit. So that's another one that I would watch. See if maybe price pulls up into that gap. That would be a good area to start looking for shorts. Monday, Tuesday accumulated, Wednesday manipulation. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of like what I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating Wednesday high of the week right now, and then Thursday, Friday go lower. I would like to see that. However, it is possible that Thursday goes higher and Friday goes lower, you know? We have like a classic buy weekly profile. So for now, it could go either way. It becomes a lot clearer on tomorrow's closure where this thing is going and like what we're doing throughout the day. If we are, you know, like for example, we have this hourly gap here. If we close underneath this hourly gap, then yeah, there's a very good chance that we can, you know, expand lower for the remainder of the week. Okay. But if it respects this gap or any PDRA throughout this leg, which there really are none, then, so this gap actually is going to be the main one. But if it bounces here, this is going to be a bullish Thursday, bearish Friday. If we inverse here, then it's a bearish Thursday, bearish Friday. Very simple. Why are you looking for shorts on NQ? I just kind of just explained that. NQ has liquidity grab on the 4 hour. Where? The upside or? Kind of have it both ways here. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. We will see. Hello, SpongeBob.
Yeah, what do you want, man?
I'm live.
Oh, you're live, so can't say certain things, no?
Yep, exactly.
Okay. What are you looking for? Shorts?
Well, I'm already in those shorts on NQ from that 4 hour high. Been in them for a little bit. I just want to
4
see
hour
this
high.
hourly gap inverse. Bro, oh my god, gold.
It didn't. Oh, it did. Yeah, it didn't inverse, did it?
No, not yet. Kind of like it got really choppy all of a sudden. I don't know why. Right around this area it got super choppy. Bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. Gold, I was looking to long gold at 10 a.m. Right before 10 a.m. I was gonna long gold. And that shit pumped from the 10 a.m. low. It pumped 226 ticks or almost 30 points. Did not get a single
Let me
entry.
have a look.
Not a
Oh,
single entry, bro. It just pushed, just pumped.
yeah.
Disgusting.
Holy
And it's
moly.
still going, bro. This thing is just like literally not stopping. Non-stop
What the hell?
price action here from gold.
Everything rallied today, then.
Today, yeah, kind of. Sort of, kind of, sort of.
I don't know. I want this to dump. I want this to be like higher week or whatever.
Yeah, me too. I would like
And
Wednesday high of the
yeah.
week. Yeah, that's what I want to see as
Yeah.
well. I might just hold these shorts like all day long. What do you think about that?
Yeah, yeah.
Thanos, I'm live.
Oh.
How's your trading today? What did I take? I didn't oh wait, I did. I took one break even trade today. And that was it. Because I traded in the AM, and we had FOMC meeting minutes at 2 p.m. So. Mm, 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 mm. Are you gonna take a trade on stream? What kind of a retarded question is that, man? What do you think I'm here to do? Like,
Oh.
come on, man. What do you think I'm doing here? You think I'm just here for fun? Where are the hats, bro? I got it right here. I got it right here.
Yeah, why do you keep spawning in new hats? What is this?
What are you
Is it a hat
talking about?
collection?
How am I spawning in new hats?
I
I've
don't think
had
I've seen this hat before.
no, I haven't. I've had this one. My first time on, I was just asking. Didn't know if you were just analyzing the markets or not, bro. What do I look like, bro? Why you keep wearing Yankees hat, bro? I don't know. They just keep making Yankees hats. What do you want me to do? I'm really an Astros fan.
Astros, where's that?
Astros,
Yeah.
Houston.
What the hell? What the hell?
Let's see
How about you,
when.
Thanos?
What was that?
Thanos. Oh my.
Mm, hmm. Interesting.
Are you training Thanos?
Not at the moment.
Do you support the LGBTQ RS3? Yeah, I fuck with RS3s, bro. Those are fire.
Yay.
Yay.
Now this 4 hour short was tough though.
I know, that was so good, right?
Yeah.
Were you tight that you missed out on it?
No. I was actually happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Such a good boy.
Okay. Always Tifo,
Um,
always on his Diddy stuff, man. The Diddy of
Diddy, who's
ICT.
that? Who's
Tifo,
that?
bro. This guy.
Hmm. Potentially. Alright, I need to make money, man. Come on. Signal key. Come on.
bro, I gave the signal. I was short. I went short and gave the signal. When will short be valid? It's valid right now. I just like there. It's kind of just choppy. There's no entry. I'm in it already. I'm in it already. Already. You guys see this? Look, let me show you guys. Boom, I got the short right here. We shorted 23,049. I got a nice stop in profit right now, and then I'm just looking to get about $2,000 out of this trade.
$1.
$2,000. Dara. Yo, this dude got a decent hairline, bro. What are you talking about, Verona? Did you think I was like balding or something, bro?
Yeah, what the hell?
Yo, I can never go bald. I'm so serious. I can never go bald. My barber tells me, yo, you will never go bald.
Is that what he says?
That's what he says, bro.
How's he know that?
My
Is your
hair's
dad
mad.
bald?
My hair's mad thick, bro. No, my
Is
dad's
it?
not bald, but like his hairline's receding a little bit. But I didn't get his hair, bro. So
Oh, okay. Yeah,
yeah,
apparently you get your mom's dad's hair or something.
yeah. He's so locked in. He's got a full head of hair. Um, yeah, I'm trying to get a short here on the live too, because I already have it on the top steps. I'm trying to get it on the lives here as well. It's just a matter of like getting a clean entry. I don't want to BS entry here. Would you get a hair transplant if you started losing it? Nah, low-key I wouldn't, bro. I'd be chilling. I'd be fine. Once you get married, you start to lose your hair. Trust, I would know. Okay. Heathlow, my GF laughing at me because you called me a retard. I did not call you retarded, or what? When did I call you a retard? Wait, did I?
Yo,
Did I do
y'all hear
that?
me? Y'all hear me?
My fault, bro.
Damn, bro.
My fault, Dominic. I didn't mean to call you a retard. Wait till you have a kid, bro. I have 3 kids, bro. What are you talking about? I have a full head of hair. I'm locked in. Yeah, low key, guys. This looks like it's gonna inverse. You know what I mean? This looks like it's gonna inverse. So I might look for, bro. There's just, never mind. There's fucking nothing. Look at this 5-minute, bro. This is actually chopped cheese. There's nothing here on the 5-minute. The 15-minute, there's nothing here unless we're counting that fair value gap up there. And then this is the hourly. So low key might just have to wait.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow.
Wow. What's the indicator that shows the daily and H4 candle inside? It's called ICT HTF candles by Fadi. Yo, by the way, guys, FO or not FOMC, CPI next week. Make sure you guys are locked and loaded. CPI next week is gonna be fire. I think next week will be pretty good, bro. It should be a good week. I think it should be a good week. Huh? The hell was that? You hear Ali? I'm live. Ali.
Oh, that ass?
No, why? No, I just lied.
See, I was about to follow that ass up with some crazy shit, but you're live, bro. I gotta
Clip farming right now.
relax.
Do you hate Serbians and Croatians? Yeah, I do. Fuck them.
What?
I'm kidding. I literally don't know a single Serbian or Croatian. Does Apex still require video submission? No. If we get a 5-minute CSD to the upside, we might still be bullish. Hmm. Yeah, it could be. It could be, but if we take a look at ES, let me pull up ES here. We have no SMT. None. So I don't even know if I would execute on that. The SMT we have right now is bearish. We don't have any bullish SMT at all. In this current leg, there's nothing. So I'd probably, like, one of the big reasons there why I would refrain from taking any kind of long is because of the SMT there. So I don't know. S7 was good, Key. I'm back from taking 2 months off. Why'd you take 2 months off? How long do you usually stream for? Until we either get a good trade or I get tired or the market's ass. One or the other. One of the 3 things happens. Yeah, bro. Look at this 5-minute, bro. There's nowhere on this 5-minute where you could get an entry. I would like to, but there's nothing. 3-minute. Look at this 3-minute. Absolutely chopped cheese. Yeah, this 3-minute is terrible. Lower time frames are
so
just
nice.
horrible. Should I rage bait tonight? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Yo, Sponge, I might just add you to the Discord.
Alright, go on then.
Should I just add you in there? I might. Hold on, let me
Why,
join
you're all
the.
in there?
Yeah. Are you waiting for 5 minute CSD or 15 minute CSD on gold? I mean, right now, bro, it's just pumping. So I don't think it rejects here, low key. If it does, then I'll be looking for a 5 minute CSD from that hourly order block, which is at it's at 34.3. 34.3. What's your model? Can you explain it real quick? It's just PO3 based, bro. It's PO3 based, change in state model. Very simple. If you want like a more in-depth breakdown of my model, I've explained it like several times in previous streams. I tried continuation, couldn't catch anything all week. I mean, because the week was very, very choppy, so there was like no continuation at all. You kind of had to like either you got a reversal or you didn't trade. It was just a shitty week only because of the FOMC, the meeting minutes. Market was essentially waiting for that, and so that is why. Yeah, that is why there was no continuation entries. No
Rest of the
retracement
week
to
should be
all-time
good,
high
though.
today. I was eyeing them longs. I don't think this is gonna long, bro. I don't think the long plays out. Is it bad to stick? Is it bad to trade every 4-hour candle, or should I stick to 1 to 2? It's not bad to trade every 4-hour one, but when the hell are you sleeping if you're trading every 4-hour candle? Personally, I'd probably go like, just pick 2 or 3 that you really like that work for you, and you know, lock in with that. Oh, my New York open today. I have $600 in my balance. How much should I risk every trade? Like $100. Can't have audio on. Are we waiting for downside right now on the 15-minute? Can anyone reply? Downside on what, though? Did you see Shinobi's crash out yesterday? I caught the end of it, so not really sure what happened. Shinobi crashed out yesterday? Hold on, let me join the thing and ask him. Let's see what this is all about. Hey, Shinbubi.
Hey, what do you mean? See what this is all about? What are you? Who are you talking to?
Somebody said, did you see Shinobi's crash out yesterday? I caught the end of it, so not really sure what happened.
Did I crash out yesterday?
I don't think so.
What are you talking about,
Yeah,
Jonah?
chat. Did I crash out yesterday?
I don't recall that.
I don't think Shinobi would crash out publicly, bro. Like, that's something he'd
No,
probably
I
do
would.
after he stops the stream.
No, we crashed out on the stream. But like,
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of crash outs, but yesterday I don't think I crashed out. Yo, chat. Did we crash out yesterday? I think we just caught a play and that was it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Stream crashed. The stream
He
crashed.
chewing out one of his guy hardcore, and I think someone in the chat. You're chewing somebody out hardcore.
Who was I chewing out?
somebody's out.
I mean, it would have to be Spiffy. He's the only other one in here.
No, it was Tig, bro.
Oh, you're crashing out on Tig?
My, dude, I was just about to crash out on Tig again today.
Why? What'd you do? What happened?
Bro, dude, Tig is so annoying sometimes. Yesterday we were longing and he's like, "Oh, it's not, it doesn't look good for longs. It's probably gonna go lower." And then it rips, and then like 60 points later in profit, he's like, "Oh yeah, longs look good here." He did that
Cheeky
same
fella.
shit today. He did the same shit today at the fucking lows at 929.5 when I called longs. He's like, "Oh, we're going to midnight open. It doesn't look good." Then that shit ripped 140 points. But yeah,
Yeah.
I was crashing out on Tig. But that's not really crashing out. That's just like friendly banter.
Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna add a Sponge in here.
No, don't.
Why?
Because we can't let him in here, bro.
Why?
You can't add him in here.
Who's
can
this
make a
guy?
different
Bro,
chat.
why? There's random kids in here, bro.
There's no randoms in here. It's all
Who
like
is
actual.
who
like,
is UMZ? Who is that?
UMZ, bro, go look at his TikTok.
Bro, Sponge is like probably better than a lot of these kids. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Bro, Ums right now probably has like over 500,000 in payouts verified.
Yeah, Sponge has like 500,005 verified. So
All right, we can't add Sponge in here, unfortunately, but we can make a separate chat with Sponge
nah.
because I love Sponge.
All right. All right, I'm back.
Yo.
Yeah.
Did you find out what his crash out was?
He was crashing out on Tig apparently. I don't know. Don't really care.
Pig.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your opinion on trading? Do you think it's halal or bro? It's obviously like if I'm doing it, what do you think, bro? Come on. Yo Key. Yo. What's up? I got my TP at the 20s. Let's go. 20s? 20s where? What are you talking about? What is the CISD? I'm more of a price action trader, so I don't know the whole ICT concepts. CISD, it's show you a CISD. CISD is what we call a change in state of delivery. Where you see delivery go from bearish to bullish, right? And the way you see a change in state of delivery, even if you're a price action trader, you could see things like this, is when you have, let's say, you take a look at this leg right here, right? You have this up close candle, right? And then you have two down close candles that follow this up close. And then there's this one. And then this one, right? What does this candle do? This candle right here closes above both of these these down closes, right? As soon as this series, this pair of down closes gets closed above, that shows a change in state of delivery, right? And then you can see once we get that change in state of delivery, we get delivery to the upside, right? Same thing, you know, like right here, for example, we have this series of up close candles, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 up close candles in a row. As soon as you close underneath that first up close candle, right, that starts this series and makes this new high, right? Made a new high right here, swept the highs. As soon as you close below this, that is effectively a change in state of delivery. That's all it is. Very, very simple stuff. Also, we do have a 5-minute change in state of delivery here. Now, for anybody that wants to long, this is, you know, theoretically a good area to long. I'm not going to take this because as I said, we don't have any SMT here that I'm seeing. But if I was to, you got to target at least like minimum 2R. So I'd be targeting like here, base, you know, like bare minimum. I would be targeting this 2R. Doesn't look bad. It really doesn't. Do we have SMT at the lows?
Yeah, it don't look bad.
Where do we have SMT at the lows, bro? Let's see. Yeah, we do. I gotta give it to you. We got SMT at the lows. I'll take it with 1 mini.
Order filled.
Huh.
I'll take it with 1 right there. Look for 2R. And then kind of go from there. Keep it nice and simple. Let's see. Only got 1, so not too bad. Anything on gold? Nah, I'm just waiting on gold, bro. It's not really doing anything. Well, I'm waiting for gold to close this 4-hour candle. Open up to 10 p.m. That's what I'm more interested in. Thoughts on NQ being ass for PO3 lately? I mean, yeah, because it's like kind of a relatively sideways market. And when it does expand, it's like super expansive without any pullbacks. So yeah, it's not the greatest. I'll tell you guys that right now. It's not the greatest. That you're gonna have some candles that open that don't manipulate at all, and this thing just pushes in one direction. But that's just the nature of the market right now. The market is kind of mid. You know what I mean? Not much you can do to change that. You just gotta adapt.
Apparently, the deadline for the tariff stuff is August 1st. So, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm here to ore farm. What's good, Sway? Gold PO3 works. But yeah, I know. I like gold a lot right now. I mean, even gold today was kind of like mid, bro. I think gold today was like half decent. It was okay. I was trying to look for a long, opened up the 4-hour candle, no wick lower, nothing. Just opened up that 4-hour candle and pushed. Just wanted to be sure. Some people say prop firm PA trading is law because it's demo and you get paid, so it's not real money. Whereas people say, no, it's not. It's not. I mean, I've traded both props and live. Recently, I've been like focusing more on live just because I've been enjoying it a lot more. I find that I trade a little bit better on live. So I've been enjoying it more, which is why I've been trading live more. But I will go back to props after CPI. Gonna one day pass all my Apex evals and then lock in and just run up some Apex accounts. Probably get like 10, I think. Can you explain Bissy and Civi? Just bearish and bullish fair value gap. Apex run is real right now. Yeah, bro. You kind of like low key. If they haven't banned you, then run their fucking pockets. Like run it up. You know what I mean? You trade with what size account in Apex? I've traded a few. Right now I'm on 150s. I've traded 50s. I've traded 250s. Even a 300. I traded a 300 with Apex too. Traded a bunch of them. They're all like pretty decent. But I'm not gonna lie. I like the 150s a lot. And I've liked the 150s more than the 250s for some reason. I like them. Why are you long in Nas right now? I mean, bro, this is like kind of a mid setup. I don't love this setup. That's why I'm trying it out with one mini. But we have hourly gap, 5-minute change of state, SMT at the lows and whatnot. Swept the liquidity, all that. This setup, like, I really don't love it. I think
Yeah.
price is like kind of a little choppy, and I think overall, like higher time frame, I think Wednesday high of day is favored, or sorry, Wednesday high of the week is favored by this weekly profile. So I'm going like pretty counter trend here. That's why I don't love this trade. So yeah, simple.
Yeah, I think
Right?
if we inverse this 1 hour and then new 4-hour manipulates back up into the gap and then dump further down,
Yeah.
that could work.
Yep. 50K easiest payout IMO Apex the final profit Infinity Stone for my copier. Yeah, 50K. I mean, yeah. I just even with Top Step, I like the 150s more. Even though all my accounts on Top Step right now are 50s. But I like the 150s more.
When was Apex's last 90% off?
90? I don't even remember. 90, it's probably been a while. They don't do like 90 too much.
Yeah, because they had that one where it was like they did it and then they did it like the week after again. Remember?
Oh, the last 90% off they did was when they paid out both those guys 2 mil each
Oh yeah,
in
yeah.
the same month.
Yeah, crazy.
Long to the 15-minute based on this setup and PO3 to short. Yeah. Like if we're bearish, then we want 10 a.m. or sorry, 10 p.m. to go manipulate higher, right? So then it kind of works with the setup because 10 p.m. should open up, in theory, it should open up, push higher, right, into probably this 15-minute gap, yeah. And then we get to TP there and then go lower from there, basically, right? Like it's kind of like fucking very layered PO3 setup. We'll see what it does though. What prop firm is easiest to get a payout? I mean, that's kind of subjective. I hear a lot of different answers for that question. A lot of people say Alpha. Alpha is one of the easiest, like the advanced accounts or even the starter accounts. Alpha. A lot of people say them MFFU. A lot of people say Top Step. Like, I think it's just it depends on you as a trader. Is really the answer to that. How do you get your charts to look like that? Some wicks and borders darker / lighter than the other? No. All the wicks and borders are the same color, brother. TPT. Nah, bro. I'm not gonna lie. TPT kind of doo-doo, bro. The 6-day or 5-day eval pass is chopped, bro. That's a thing of the past. Like, what are we doing here, bro? I think more firms need to lock in with the 1-day passes, dude. Yeah, 1-day passes really are peak, bro. They actually are. I wish more firms did the 1-day passes. Not enough firms do them, you know. 50% consistency rule on evals already asked 5 days. Yeah, exactly. Thank you, bro. Thank you. That 50% consistency rule could like just fuck off, man. Super annoying, that thing. You look Afghani? No, I'm not, bro. I'm from Pakistan. Gold buy from 33.20. Deep, bro. What's the thought for the long? I just kind of tried this out. Like a mid long hourly gap 5-minute buy model. But it was super counter trend, which is why I sized super light on this. What are some tips? Want to pass some funders with CPI? I'll probably do a CPI live here on YouTube for you guys. So don't worry, bro. Just lock in on the live, and I'll give you all the tips.
I still need to watch that F1 movie. Keep forgetting.
Bro, it's so good.
Everyone's saying it. Need to watch Jurassic World.
I'm
as
about to go
well.
on a solo mission to watch Jurassic World, bro. Somebody
Yeah,
gotta
that's the
come with me
one.
or I'm going by myself. Here, let's
Yeah,
see.
just go like find someone on the street.
Find somebody on the street. Hold on, let's see. Jurassic World's on at 10 p.m., bro. It's in 10 minutes. It's on. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to dip at 10 p.m. I'm gonna go watch Jurassic World by myself. Imagine. I'm not actually doing that, bro. I'm not actually doing that. No watching gold. I'm watching gold. It's literally the chart to the right of this one. You guys just can't see it. I am watching gold though.
Like
Do it, bro. Why
dinosaurs.
not? Yo, should I take you guys? Should we do a IRL stream watching Jurassic World? I'll take you guys in the cinema with me.
Yeah, you need to get one of those Ray-Ban glasses.
Yeah. Guys, I pick up my new car this week at some point. Anybody want to take a guess at what my new car is going to be? I'll give you guys a free funded account if somebody can guess what my new car is. It's not a Porsche. I already have the Porsche. Give a hint. I
Ford
can't give it.
Explorer.
Low key. What the fuck?
Yeah, this guy thinks he got crazy motion. SF90.
2025 GT3 RS. I'll give you guys a hint. It's a manual. It's a 6-speed manual, and it is German. If it's a Tesla, I'm getting you banned. No, bro. Fuck is wrong with you? Fuck is wrong with you? Now you guys got to be specific, bro. You guys got to be specific with like what generation of car it is. Like, don't just be like 911. Okay, like, don't just do that. You gotta guess like the generation of the car. Okay, so if you're one of those people saying M4, M2, M3, like which one? Guess it. I need you guys to guess the generation too. Nobody's gotten it so far. Not a single person has gotten it so far. Oh my god, somebody got it. Oh, somebody got it, bro. Slight got it. Slight. It is an F80 M3 Slight. Yo, Slight. Slight. Hold on, bro. Yo, Slight. You want to go double or nothing? You want to go double or nothing? 2 funded accounts or none? You want to go double or nothing for another question? Come on, Slight. Oh, he said sure. Okay, Slight. Yo, hold on, Slight. Instead of double or nothing, I'll do 5. 5 accounts or nothing. Okay? 5 accounts or nothing. That means 4 more accounts. For another 4 accounts, what color is the car? What color is the car?
Oh my god. That's fucking. Oh my god.
Yo. Yo, you wanted to take it. You wanted to take it. Yo,
Yeah.
Slight, I'm not gonna lie, bro. No, it's not a wrap. It's a factory color. It's a factory color and it's an individual. It's an individual BMW color. Yo, guys, this is for Slight only, bro. I'm going quadruple or nothing with him right now.
Smegma. Oh my god.
Come on, Slight, don't sell, bro. What? I mean, I don't know if I give that to you because like it is gray, but that's not the name of the color. I don't know if I should give you that or like make
No,
you
that's
get.
valid to be fair. How
Nah,
the
that's
fuck did he get
yeah.
that?
He's not gonna get the fucking color. Damn, no way, Slight.
Damn, he got you, bro. That's crazy.
Fuck, I gotta give this guy 4 fucking. Oh my god, fuck. I'm actually
Yeah.
yo.
You know
Guys,
what?
if you
Fair
guys
play,
don't
'cause
if you guys don't use code key, this is gonna bankrupt me. I gotta give this guy 4 accounts, bro. Oh my god. Yo, Slight, open up a ticket in the Discord, bro. Can I win something? I guess Schmegma.
Oh my god.
Is there a reason you're not? No, I'm looking at gold, bro. Don't
Stop
worry, I'm looking
Phil.
at gold. All right, yeah. See, there you go. That's why this trade was low-key chopped cheese. So I didn't take this with heavy size. Yeah, I'm gonna look for sells once this 10 p.m. candle opens up in 5 minutes. What session do you like trading? Right now, New York, bro. Right now, New York. Not gonna lie, New York has been great. You don't have to spam, brother. Yo, Funny HD, I promise you, you don't have to spam. I promise you, bro. It's not Nardo Gray. It's Grigio Telesto, which is a Lambo color. So I'm fake Lamboing right now. I'm LARPing a Lambo. I basically have a Lambo. Made a ticket. All right, good boy. I'll get to you in a little bit. Slight.
This guy on live.
Yes, I'm on
Yeah.
live.
Oh, weird little critter, bro.
Bro, I guess M3 as soon as you asked just now. I know. You were the one that said M3, and that's why I said be more specific. Because of you. So if you guessed the generation, you would have gotten it. But you didn't guess the generation.
Are you still up?
Sold.
Why am I still up? I'm just aura farming, bro.
You're in here while he's doing a live, bro. This is negative aura for you, buddy.
No, everybody
Don't
loves Sponge in the live. Yo, guys, give me a 1 in the chat if you guys love Sponge. Give me a 1 in the chat if you guys love Sponge. SpongeBob, that is.
Yo, Schmoopy might actually get punched up in a minute.
Alright, guys. I was just checking in. Have a good live.
Bye, bro.
Alright. Ooh, we're looking hella dumpy now.
Yeah, it is looking hella dumpy, isn't it? My short is paying. Oh my god. Yeah, this thing's paying buckets, bruv. Alpha or
Buy car with
MFFU?
this one.
Either one, bro. MFFU code keyflow, alpha code key. Lock in, guys. Lock in. Schmoopy said tell him. I said let's run the fade. Oh,
Who, me? Wants to fight me?
yeah.
Yeah, you do not want these fists of fury, bro. Ask P, bro. He's got it multiple times.
Oh my god. Hmm. I guess 3 MFFU and 1 alpha. Wait, what? What What are you talking about? Oh, MFFU? No, I don't have any kind of deal with MFFU doesn't give me accounts. It'd be either Alpha or Apex. You pick. Let's trade, bro, now. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god, bro.
Yo, these guys, bro. These guys have actually
Yes.
lost the plot. Fucking lost the plot. Gold is a trade is showing up. A trade is showing up. Show proof buying slight accounts or scam. I don't buy the fucking accounts, weirdo. They give me the codes and I just send them to Slight. What's wrong with you? Fucking yo, Dominic, I'm about to say something rude to you, bro.
Bro's girlfriend's there, bro. Leave him alone.
Are you using a funded right now? No, I'm using a live. I have a funded
Right,
running in the
I'll
background.
Take the
though.
alpha. Yo, Slight, bro. Crazy.
What? Why is that crazy?
I don't know. He just said he's gonna take the alpha, bro.
He's
That's
calling
crazy.
himself an alpha?
No, I think he's gonna take the alpha.
Who are you trading with? I'm trading with SpongeBob, like from the show. What's the gold trade? Hourly order block, 5-minute change in state. What size? I think they're. I don't think it matters, bro. I think they would do 50, 150. I don't know. Which ones do you want? What size do you want? 50, 150? 5, 25? What do you want? The 1 hour gap invalid now? Yes, this is, well, yeah, it is. We have a BPR right here. Maybe we can push up into that. Doesn't have to manipulate into unmitigated PDRA when 10. Yes, it does. 150. Okay, cool. I just bought a funded with your code. Let's go. W's in the chat, bro. Now you are guaranteed to pass it. Just so you guys know, if you guys don't use code key for Apex and Alpha, you're probably not going to pass and get paid out. You're probably not. Okay, it's like kind of just one of those things they have in their back end with their algorithm that they have built. If you use code key, the algorithm, like it's kind of like gambling, but you're the house type shit. Followed you trade and took an L. Okay, don't follow it next time. If I don't pass it, I will find you. Yo, Sponge. Yo, Sponge, doesn't this guy's profile pic look like W's?
Oh yeah, actually.
Is this W, bro? Saying he's gonna
Is this
find me.
W?
He's already found me.
Yeah, same vibe as W as well. W used to say crazy shit like that as well.
Yeah, yeah, same exact vibe. Same exact vibe. Wouldn't that make the 1 hour OB invalid if it's mitigated prior to 10 p.m.? Which 1 hour OB are you talking about? On gold? Are you talking about on gold? Oh, on gold. Yeah, yeah, yeah. On gold, yes. But now you can use, like, personally, I'm not a huge fan of shorting here on gold. I think maybe a new high can get made, especially on the 4 hour or the 1 hour. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a new high to get put in, and then I'm interested in taking a short. My name is Samia. Samia, nice to meet you. How do you spell that, bro? How do you pronounce that? Can you tell me how to pronounce that?
I think it's just Samia, yeah.
Samia.
I went to school with a Samia.
Did you?
Yeah.
Is this your Samia?
No, this is like a.
It's a Moroccan name. Wait, is that a guy name or a girl name? Samia. I was just in Morocco. I didn't meet anybody named Samia, bro.
The one I knew was a huz, was girl.
Oh.
Yeah.
Gold. The 1 hour FVG and 5 minute CISD valid. No. Where are you looking to short? NQ, I'm looking to short here, bro. Somewhere around here. I would like for us to push up into that PPR. If it doesn't, then I will take something off of a lower time frame, most likely like a 1 minute here. I'll look for some sort of confirmation entry. Now that we're in a hourly inversion gap. Um, 1 hour IFG, yeah. I mean, you can do a 5 minute CISD, or like for me personally, this is not a reversal, right? Reversal has already happened up here. This is a continuation entry. So for a continuation entry, I usually also enter on somewhat of like a confirmation model. Like if I see 2 gaps on the 1 minute here get inversed, okay, to the downside, then I'll enter the trade and then anticipate a 5 minute closure at the lows, which would be effectively a change in state of delivery. Are you sick? If yes, you've been sick for months. You always sound sick. Bro, sorry, man. Not sick. This is just me, bro. There's nothing I can do. I've been in shorts. Lock in, bro. Yeah, me too, bro. Lock in, bro. Lock in, bro. I've been in them. Hold on. Now I have to do this to shit on you because you think you're better than me.
Wait, who does? You said who?
23094. Buddy, that's yesterday 10 a.m. pal. Not yesterday, but like yesterday's session. Today morning. That means you got to be on a live account, or I just caught you in a lie, in a fib.
Bloody.
You don't got a movie to attend to. What was that? Were you just about to say something? What was that?
Who, me?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so.
Oh. Okay.
It was the demon coming out of me.
Wait, hold up. You honest ass dude, you could have said that ain't the color and just went about your day. Nah, bro, I wouldn't do that. Yeah, so then when I post the vlog of me getting it, you look at the vlog and you're like, yo, this guy's a piece of shit. Come on. Don't you got a movie to attend to or that's canceled? No, I wasn't actually gonna do that, bro. Yo, Dominic Prude, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I was joking at first, but like as time has went on, I've found out that you really are retarded. So I'm standing on business officially. You are in fact retarded, and we will stand on that exactly right there. It's okay, bro. If your girl got mad at you, or like if your girl like laughed at you being called a retard, like it's fine, bro. You recover from it eventually. It'll be okay. You know what I mean? But you know, don't blame it on me, bro. Missed the GAN box 0.25. Etho, where do I know you from? Tell me. I don't know. Cheeky geeky. I don't know.
Cheeky geeky. I feel like I've met that guy as well, to be honest. Cheeky geeky. Familiar.
Bro, it's all games and we all have our different models. I'm just IMO. ICT is trash. Okay, bro. Your opinion does not matter. You know what I mean? You could think ICT is trash. It's okay. Doesn't really matter, right? Like at the end of the day, if it makes you money, it makes you money. Why do you care if somebody else's strategy is trash? What does it matter to you? Do you lose sleep over me trading ICT, brother? I didn't shit on you yourself, LMAO. I wasn't even talking to you. Really? Okay, hold on. Hold up.
Yo, yeah, you clipping this guy, man.
Nah, because he said he wasn't talking shit on me, but I just pulled up pictures of him talking shit on me directly. Thoughts on shorts here? I have VG on 30-minute. Yeah, I have VG here on the hourly too. I'm waiting for an actual setup to occur here. You know what I mean? So if we get a real setup here, I will go for it. Maybe a sweep of this 15-minute right here into the BPR, and I think it starts to look pretty good. It starts to look pretty good. It's 23.12, 23.012. We can get a sweep of that. Easy money. Easy money.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they say.
They do say that. They do say that. I sold you my underwear, remember? Oh, yeah. Now I do remember that. Yeah, bro. I remember you. Yeah, bro. I remember that, brother. I remember that. What's your reasoning why this continuation for short and not a reversal back up? If it was going to reverse, we would not have inverse this fair value gap, right? Just like just simple order flow stuff. If this was going to be bullish, we should have respected this fair value gap, right? Because us disrespecting this gap is pretty bearish. I just bought an Apex account. Can you just show me how the fuck I connect this shit to TradingView? Yeah, fairly simple actually. Once you get your login, all you're gonna do is go ahead and log on in. You're gonna log on in, and once you've logged in, hold up. Wait. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna get your login, right? Copy paste into down here. It's gonna say your brokerage, whatever. Click this. Open up your Tradeovate. Open up Tradeovate. Log in. Go to demo, and that's it. You gotta hit demo. You gotta hit demo. Make sure the account thing is on demo. Let me do a fucking. Hold on. Let me show you. Actually, it should be pretty simple. I should not need to show you that. Just hit demo on it and log in. If it doesn't work, then open up the actual Tradeovate. Oh, it worked. There you go. See? You didn't even need me to tell you that. You just knew. You're so tough when you're live. Nah, low key, bro. I don't like going live a lot, bro, because it hurts. So I kind of just like to just chill. Am I right, Sponge? Going live hurts, right? Bro, I don't know what this guy's talking about. He's like, I react, not predict. What does it look to you like I'm doing, bro? The fuck does it look like I'm doing to you right now? Do I look like I'm predicting, or do I look like I might be waiting for a reaction so I can get in?
What do you trade, Dominic?
He says he trades trend continuation.
What does that mean?
Flippin' idiot. Like, bro. Lock in, bro. I'm joking, guys. OMG, I wanted a free account. Man. Cool, bro. See if we can get a sweep of this. Clean sweep of this. I get in here. Clean sweep. Need a clean sweep. Egotistical as fuck. Okay, bro. Yo, Dominic, I'm gonna address you one last time. Final time, okay? Because you trade a different way does not negate any kind of way that somebody else trades, okay? Number one. Number two, The crazy part is that somebody that's trading ICT is probably trading very, very similar to you, if not the same way. Except the names of the concepts are probably different. That's it. It's so simple. You can look at it, if you're a price action trader, you can look at a price pattern and see, oh, this is closing underneath these green candles. That looks bearish to me. That's just a price pattern that you're seeing, that you're noticing. That has a name when it comes to ICT. We just name it, change and stated delivery. That's it. It's very simple. It's probably the exact same way that you're trading. It's just there's names to certain concepts. That's all. That's all there is. Nobody should be shitting on the way anybody is trading. You guys should all be worried about the way you guys are fucking trading, not anybody else, bro. I don't know why you guys care so much about how somebody else is trading. Who cares? Let people trade how they want. If somebody's using trend lines, cool, bro. Let them fucking use trend lines. That's it. Who gives a shit?
Oh my god, cheeky geeky. I seen that video earlier. What the hell? That's so weird. I was literally just watching that video. Have you seen this video? There's
I have no idea. Quick question: does the alpha account come with activation already? Do I have to pay for that after pass? This is my first ever free account. I think you have to pay for it, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think you have to pay for it. But if you're a good boy, I'll activate all of them for you. What, yo, Sponge, say that. What is it?
no, I cannot be saying that. I don't know. It's just some like stand-up comedian or something, and he started waffling about glue sticks. I don't know, literally.
I'm new here, tuning in. Thanks for trading live. Not many do. Trading is lonely and nice to have more people doing the same thing in real time. Yeah, man. I love trading live. The best is the best. So here, guys, what I'm going to be doing is, what does the 2-minute look like? I'm going to use the 2-minute here. 2-minute, like if we can inverse this gap here, I'll get in. Quick stop loss. It'll look something like this. Something like that is what it would look like. And then I'd target like lows.
Is Shinbob live?
Yeah.
Let's
yeah,
see
I know what
it's
you're
doing.
saying, Dominic. It's okay, bro. I forgive you. Gold setup. Not really. I want to see it sweep the high first, bro, on gold. I want to see that swept. Are we looking for shorts? Yeah. I'm waiting for this candle to close on the 2-minute. I will get in. So TP like 960, 936, 919.75. Just these like swing lows is where you'd want a TP ideally. I mainly trade off emotions. That works too, I guess. Yeah, that's what Sponge does. It's working really well for him right now.
Yeah,
Right,
literally,
Sponge?
I just click the buttons. Yeah, I just click the buttons.
Based on like how you're feeling at the time, right? That's kind of what you do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pure vibe.
Vibe method. It's been working out beautifully for you, hasn't it?
Yeah, beautifully, yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic, one would say, actually.
Yeah, from the progress I've seen from you, bro, I would say fantastic as well.
Yeah, what's with this tone, though?
What?
What's with the tone? What's going on?
No tone. No tone. I'm just saying, I liked it. Didn't inverse the 2-minute?
Okay.
Yeah, it didn't. Can you break down trade? I mean, the trade hasn't happened yet, so we would have to wait for it to happen first, right? That would only make sense, you know? I want to stay on the climb. It's okay, Dominic. We love you, bro. I'm still waiting for you to tell me your opinion on TJR. Allegedly, this is alleged information, is that he doesn't really trade. That's alleged, though. I don't really know. Alleged information.
Could be rumors in the air.
It could very well be rumors in the air, but that's
Wait,
the rumor
Manpreet.
I've
Who is
heard.
Manpreet in the Discord?
Manpreet, MB trades.
Oh, mitigation block trades.
Yeah,
Okay.
mitigation block trades. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think he means break down your bias. My bias is short because of this 1 hour BPR, 1 hour inversion gap, and 4 hour open, 4 hour clear manipulation into this area. No lower wick. Like it's a pretty nice setup. 5-minute IFVG too. Yeah, I know that this 5-minute IFVG is good as well. If this is the one you're talking about. Time is not closing to the 90 EMA. I don't think we're going lower. At least we popped it 23.030. Yeah, it's possible as well. I do think that this probably, I would like for this to stay under 20. As long as we can stay under 20s, I think this should be good. But it's kind of, I mean, it hasn't closed where I wanted it to in order to take my trade yet, so I'm just gonna remove this for now. But yeah, like, I think above 20s this can trade higher. TGR is an influencer, not a trader. That is the alleged information. That is the alleged, word around town.
Mm.
305 loss in the AM today, or was it during AJ? No, it was just a small trade that I took here today. I'm still short, bro, on my fundeesies. But if this starts like trading above 20s, I might close it. We'll see. We're just forming a little bit more structure here. We're at 15 again. Like I don't want to see it too far above 20s. TJR is sus, but he funny, but he sus. Sus is correct. Yeah, I would say he is sus. I would have to agree with that, bro.
Yeah, he's a funny guy as well.
Yeah, he's a funny guy. He's a funny guy. You didn't trade AM today? No, I did. I did trade AM. I just took a trade and closed it for break even. So that was it. It wasn't gonna be like super high probability today. Just because we have obviously Yo guys, why do we have 24 likes and 200 people in here? Can everybody like the stream now? Or we're gonna have to end early at like 10:30 in 8 minutes, bro. Come on, you guys gotta like the stream. This is unbelievable, unbelievable. You know what's crazy? What's his name? What's his name? That won the account. Fuck. Slight won an account or won 4 accounts. Right? I'm giving this guy 4 accounts. Right? He sends me a screenshot, and he's on YouTube. Sends me a screenshot, and he doesn't even have the stream liked, bro. Unbelievable.
Yeah, unbelievable that.
Unbelievable that. Use daily time frame or the 4 hour and 1 hour to find your bias. I use all of them, bro. I definitely use the daily. I use the 4 hour as well as the 1 hour. Use all of them. All of the above. How about that? Bought his MM 5.0 and was taught nothing. Also crazy how he magically switches his strategy every few quarters. That's what I'm saying. The alleged information is that he doesn't really trade. That is the alleged information around the block. I liked it and bought an account. I can show you proof. Does that mean I get a free funded? You're really fishing for a free funded. You know what? If you're active in here and I see you active and interacting in the chat and you know back and forth, liking the stream and whatnot, I will personally see to it that I give you a free funded every stream. Every stream.
Wow.
Yup.
Me next. Me next.
Fake FOMC. No, it's just meeting minutes, which is like a recap of the previous FOMC actual meeting. It's not like real FOMC. It's not like an actual FOMC move. You don't get like a real FOMC move, right? I'm always active. I always go to Shinobi's chat to see where you're at. He doesn't really trade, but too many gullible snow possums give him free money. What is a snow possum? What?
Snow possum.
Oh, what is
Wait,
that?
I'll look this up.
Can BBS get a
Snow
free
possum.
funded? Bro, BBS, I'm pretty sure you won one. Did you not win one? Mauricio, bro, you don't need one, bro. All right, Mauricio, you do not need one. You missed the NQ trade. There is none, bro. What you mean? There is no trade here. I need to see like an inversion gap. We did reject 20s, kind of how I wanted to see. Like 20 on the dot to the tick we rejected. So maybe like an inversion here and then I take one. Didn't know you were on. Was subjecting myself to Shinobi. Bro, I would never wish that upon my worst enemy.
Why does he look like he's in a cupboard, bro? Where is he? Is he not home?
Shinobi.
Yeah, he looks like
Nah,
he's in, like, a wardrobe.
no, he's like in his living room, bro.
Uh,
He moved his setup to his living room.
why? What? Why's he keep moving?
Because he was like home alone with his grandma and he didn't want his grandma to
Oh.
be alone. W grandson,
Okay.
bro. W grandson.
Yeah, W grandson, I guess.
I'm short from 60 key. You're making me nervous. Bro, I'm short as well from 50 actually. So don't worry, bro. Don't worry.
Bro, you're so green. If you're up at from 60.
Huh?
He's in at 60. He's so green right now.
Yeah, but he probably wants to be even greener, you know? That's kind of me right now. I'm being greedy.
Yeah, that is kind of how it has to be be honest. You have to.
Is
want more
Shinobi
green.
Canadian? Nah, does he give Canadian?
He kind of does, you know, to be fair. I thought he was when I first met him.
You thought he was Canadian?
Yeah, yeah. It's because there's so much like Indians in Canada, bro.
Yeah, true.
That's what it is.
Yeah, Canada's like
Especially Punjabi.
Canada's like India, man.
Yeah, yeah. Toronto's apparently insane.
Yeah, that's bad news, man.
Oh my god.
Shinobi's not from he's from Palestine. Yo, you guys are idiots, bro. Oh my god. Nah, you guys are so dumb. How long you been streaming? An hour and 20 minutes. You could just like, you know, hover over the thing and check too, you know? Like that is a possibility. I'm long since 23/011. I don't know what possessed you to do that, but good luck to you. Thoughts on T-Trade's indicator? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't use it. I have it, but I don't use it. Josh and them gave it to me, but I don't know what the fuck. I don't how to use that shit.
2 degrees the goats, to be fair.
Yeah, yeah. 2 degrees, they are the goats. They are the goats. Yo, the guy like behind the scenes, the one who codes everything, has so much aura, bro.
Hmm.
He's got real aura.
Oh wow, yeah, they actually have got a lot of
Are you seriously short from 50? I was thinking, yeah, I am. I'm on my funded, short from 50. But I have a stop at 37 on that now. So at this swing high right here. Hmm. Yeah, it's kind of choppy, bro. I'm not going to lie, Mauricio. I think it's kind of choppy, but I think there is a very, very good chance that Wednesday could be the high of the week. Like, I still think Wednesday could be the high of the week. It just kind of depends how this trades overnight and, like, where this goes overnight, what it's respecting, disrespecting overnight. But I think Wednesday could be the high. All right, Dom, bro. Have a good night, bro. I hope to see you again, my boy. How do you feel about the algorithmic model? What is that? What the hell is the algorithmic model?
Yeah, whose is that?
I don't know. I think we are gonna drop 1% this week and take out previous day. Yeah, previous day low would be like the first target. That's like the first thing I'd be looking for. Where did my damn indicator go, Brev? Indicator error. Why? Why the hell? Okay, there we go. Okay. Anyways, yeah, previous day low I would like to see. It's 200 points. It's not far. Not super far. What makes Nas fall overnight? Well, the Asians and the Brits wake up and then they short the market.
Yep. Well, guys like me were sleeping until 12 p.m.
What? What are you talking about? Let's see, man. If this can maybe like can maybe inverse something and give me the entry, please. Gold is doing nothing either, so this is kind of just like you just got to chill out here. Gold's doing nothing, and Nas is doing nothing. Mr. Key, I want to become profitably independently. I've been trading for a long time and can hold account break even, but can't get withdrawals. Do you recommend your premium to achieve my profitability myself? No. I mean, it depends, right? It depends on your issue, bro. I'm not just gonna shill you my premium. I think your issue, if it's like if it's not a technical related issue, I think it's probably more based on psychology. Okay. If your issue is like psychology related, then no premium is going to help you. No Discord, no mentorship, none of that is going to help you because you are the problem, right? You're standing in your own way. So your issue is like you got to get out of your own way, and however you're stopping yourself. Most likely you're kind of just focusing too much on the money, and your main goal here is to try to get payouts and try to withdraw money from the market, when in reality your goal should be to take good trades and become the best version of yourself as a trader as you can, right? And then the money kind of follows that, right? Money doesn't flow into the shitty setups you take. Money flows into the good setups you take. So like no Discord is gonna save that. You know what I mean? Like it's gonna be you gotta just like you gotta get with yourself and fix your own psychology. My Discord is not gonna help you do that. I mean, I'll go live in my Discord. I'll do all sorts of stuff, but I'm not gonna tell you that's gonna fix your psychology, bro. Please tell me why longing was not a good idea. Not trying to be disrespectful. I mean, to be honest, Sam's, nothing is a good idea here right now because longing, I would say longing is not a good idea for two reasons, right? Number one, we're trading into a bearish zone because we have a bearish fair value gap here. We have a bearish BPR here, right? Like there's a lot of resistance in this area, okay, in the 20s. There's a lot of resistance. So that's number one. And number two, this 4-hour candle has opened up with no lower wick, which typically means that we should come back down and take this wick out, right? And go lower. So those are two reasons why I wouldn't personally long here. But I also am not shorting here either. I'm kind of just waiting for a setup to pop up. And if a setup pops up, then I'll take something. But right now, this is just you kind of just got to chill. You can't really do anything here. What?
Chillax sometimes, you know.
Did a trader deny his Discord? Yeah. Just ask for SpongeBob's holes.
Yeah. Ain't got none of my holes, Clippy. Been telling him. Keeps asking.
Does he keep asking?
Yeah.
Yeah,
he keeps
Clippy, get a
asking, man.
grip, bro.
Yeah. Ain't got none of mine.
NQ has a 5-minute Bissy, but MNQ doesn't. Yeah, of course. Not surprised there. I want to liquidate into his holes. Yo, he wants to liquidate holes. I would get
You know
this
what?
guy.
Kind of tempting.
You might need to put a restraining order on this guy. Something. Figure something out here. We're kind of
kind of
in.
luring me in.
Excuse me?
Nothing. I didn't say nothing.
Yeah, I thought I heard something. We're kind of in no man's land. There was a good indication pop was going to happen, but needs volume. Yeah, this is the last like 5 minutes. We're just sideways. Nothing is happening here. I mean, we should if it can get above 20. Like I said, if it can get above 20, this will pop. That's why I want this to stay under 20s. You guys can see we've built a little bit of resistance here around these 20s. So either this is going to reject and go lower and I get an entry, or this is going to get a pop and then maybe some point around like these early 30s, 32, 33, that area we reject again. What's the best indicator for New York open session high, session lows, midnight? I use this one. You guys see my chart? So it shows like previous week high, previous day high, Asia, London, midnight, previous day low, New York, all that. This one is market profile by Joshu. That is my indie. What do you think of Bookmap? I don't use it. I think it's good if you can figure out how to use it like effectively, but I don't use it. It's not really necessary in my trading. SpongeBob uses Bookmap, right, Sponge?
No. I don't like it.
No, Sponge doesn't like Bookmap either, so I definitely don't like Bookmap. Hold on, guys. I'm going to disappear for a few seconds. Where are you from, New York? No, I'm not from New York. New York's cool, but I'm not. I mean, I'm close to New York. I'm from PA, Philly. I was in Bucks County today. I think that's close to me. I think. Didn't you guys have a shooting recently? Probably, bro. It's Philly, dude. Philly. Kind of how it goes. 15-minute FVG soon. Yeah, we're close. We're getting there. What the hell, Maurice? I live right near Wall Street. I'd be seeing Peter Touchman. I don't know who that is, bro.
Let me see who this guy is.
Peter Touchman. Let's look him up. Peter.
He touches people, doesn't he? Peter touch.
Oh, this dude, that Albert Einstein. You should have just said Albert Einstein, bro.
Oh yeah, I've seen this guy. What the hell?
Wall Street was the most like underwhelming place that I think I've been to in all of New York. I don't know what I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting what I saw, bro. It was so underwhelming.
Did you kiss the ball?
Did I kiss the bull? No.
No.
Yeah, no. I should
Don't
have.
it have balls on the ball?
Yeah, there's
Ball.
balls on the bull, yeah.
Yes, we got kiss. Apparently it's good luck, right?
Apparently, yeah. But you know how many dudes would probably kiss that?
Maybe it makes it even more lucky. I don't know.
It could be. He's in the Epstein list. Is he really?
No shot. Is he actually?
Is he actually,
Oh
bro?
my- I would not be surprised because it was an Epstein Wall Street dude.
Is Peter Tushman on the Epstein list? Multiple documents released in relation do not contain the name Peter Tushman. They do not. You're a liar. False information being spread.
Maybe he knows more.
Maybe he does know more. Epstein was a
Remember, there is
quant.
no list.
Epstein was a quant. Have to kiss the balls to become profitable. You know what? Now that I think about it, I went and visited Wall Street in 2022. I did not kiss the balls of the bull, and that was my first ever red year in my entire career trading. 2022 was my only red year I've ever had. And that was the year that I did not go kiss the bull. Should I go back and kiss the bull? Kiss the balls of the bull? According to the government, there isn't a list anymore. Bro, the government is... We know better than to listen to the government, right? You better go kiss those balls. Yeah, I might actually have to. Let's have a field trip to the Bulls' balls. How long you been trading with only one red year? Beast mode. I've been trading 7 years in November. 7 years in November. I wish we could play music, bro. Yo, Sponge, do you want to sing for us? Sponge? How's good?
My headset died.
Is it back?
Yeah, it's back. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Did you hear what I
Yo,
said?
Keyflow. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Good boy.
Did you hear what I said?
And no, and I'm not singing. I'm not singing, bro.
Oh,
You wanna know why? 'Cause
why?
my voice will shatter the glass in the house. I can't do that.
Why are you not streaming on TikTok? Yo, I can't stream on TikTok. I would be, but I've been banned from TikTok lives permanently. So I can't stream on TikTok. It's really like super annoying actually. If you speed it up, you won't get a strike. Are you sure? Uh, You think it's possible to take a 5 to 6K live account and grow it substantially over a few years? I'm 16, so I got time. And after the NQ Muhammad incident or Mahmoud incident, I'm thinking it's better to build my own capital than rely on props. Okay, let me tell you guys something. If you're underage trading props, like you're using somebody else's identity for KYC, there's a very, very good chance that when it comes time to take the payout, they figure it out and all your hard work is for nothing. So yeah, I know it's harder to build capital when you're that young because trust me, I did the same thing. I know it's harder to like have $5,000 to $6,000 to your name as a 16, 17, 18-year-old. I know that's very, very difficult. But that's kind of your only chance. That's your only shot, unless you do it like super, super proper, right? Unless you're using, okay, I probably shouldn't even give you guys advice on this because this is like not good. Okay. But if you're using somebody else's identity for KYC, make sure you're doing it the right way and you're not using any of your information and you're using all of that person's, okay? That person's email, that person's bank account, that person's everything. Nothing should come back to you. And if it does, then you know your hard work is going to be good for nothing. So, yeah, I would for sure use a live account. I think it's possible to grow even $1,000 live account substantially over the course of, you know, a few years. I think it's easy. And I'll tell you guys something. Trading a prop account is very different than trading a live account. If you've never traded a live account, I would take it slowly because it's very different, right? Because now this is your money, right? This is your money. So you probably want to take it a little slowly. This is not like an account where you'd want to over leverage. You really, really have to be disciplined when it comes to live accounts because when you blow that 5 to 6K, you can't just reset it with $50. You got to reload that. Okay. So you need
Yeah,
to,
no rules.
yeah, there's no rules. There's literally nothing stopping you from overtrading. There's no lockout. There's nothing. So you have to be very, very, very careful. But it is 100% possible. 100% possible. Can you give us a
Closest thing you
rundown?
probably get to a live account is like FTMO and like those sort of firms.
Yeah, I'm sure there's CFD firms that like don't do like, you know, proper KYC and then you could get away with it, but I don't.
Nah, they do it. Like they
Yeah?
do KYC. Yeah. But you
Okay.
can like CFDs you can just withdraw through crypto. So that's like the alternative you have.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah, that's better.
But what happened to Mahmoud though? That was like his own like that was just he just didn't know what
Oh
he
yeah,
was
that was
doing.
kind of his own like stupidity, but it's okay. It's like, you know, you live and you learn.
Yeah.
And if he has like a good system, then he'll be able to make it work on a live account just as well as he did on a prop account. It's no different.
Yeah.
Did you get married in the US? I'm not married, but when I do get married, it will be in the US, yeah. Most likely. He is single and ready for okay. Yeah, I'm not single. Don't say that. Fucking idiot. Yo, should I use the standing feature on my standing desk? First time. Hold on. I haven't stood on
Those
this damn
hydraulic
thing.
ones.
Yeah, hold on. I'm about to start. I'm about to stand up with it. Ah. Oh, yo, this is sick. Hold up. Well, I gotta be careful not to like fuck some shit up. All right, guys. Yo, I like this. Oh my god, this is lit. Why don't I do this more often? This is fire. I should really do this more often. I think I could go a little bit higher, right? Oh,
Damn, how high it go?
dude, it's almost, my monitors are almost touching my ceiling.
Guys,
It goes,
it's not really that high. He's just 5'6".
I'm 6 foot tall, and this thing is like, this is high, bro. This is high.
Actually, might be the move, to be fair. Probably not good sitting down all day, I guess.
What'd you say?
I don't know. I just close my blinds because I can see the sunlight starting to seep through.
What is wrong with you, bro? Wait, are you naked still?
No, I'm not really trading right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
Nothing really happening.
SpongeBob trades naked, guys. If you don't know, he has found some sort of a meta.
Yeah. Part of Enigma. It's like part of it.
Yeah, partly Enigma. Yeah.
He does it too. He just green screens. Look, like it looks like he's wearing clothes, but he's just AI.
Yeah, it looks like I'm wearing a t-shirt, like a white t-shirt, but I'm not. $5K is easy to lose in 2 bad trades with futures. Not if you're using like proper. I mean, bro, if you have 5K, I'll tell you guys something right now. If you have 5K on a live, I wouldn't be like over leveraging, right? Like 5K is like 1 mini territory. That's it. 1 mini max territory. Shouldn't be going anything other than that. 1 mini is all you should be using with $5,000. Accidentally full ported along and it made me liquidate. Yeah, we have done nothing for the last few minutes, actually. Since 1024. Since 1024, market has done absolutely niche. Crazy. Hey, let's see gold, man. Gold, I think. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on. I may be interested in a gold trade, guys. I may be interested in a gold trade. Let's pull up gold here because this could actually give me a setup that I may be interested in. This gap right here, we have the same one on the 2-minute. I would take an inversion of this gap right here to the upside along it up to these equal highs right here. Yes, we're bearish on NQ. I'm going to watch NQ on the side. I'll have that pulled up. I'll watch it on the side just because it's not doing anything right now. There's no point in me watching that. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait on NQ to kind of like make a move. Really. Watch that. And gold will be the one where we get a trade in here right now. Could you explain where you'd be long from there? Personally, I just want to see one more sweep of these highs, I think. Or maybe, like, yeah, I'd probably want to see one more sweep of this 32 level. 32 level. I want to see one more sweep. I'll mark out the OTE of this. And then I'll look to long 2-minute. So the trade would look something like this. Or actually, we could use that. Yeah, 1.8R. That's what I would want to see. Yeah, but this 1 hour already delivered a 5-minute 5-minute CSD earlier. That's why I don't want to take it. We already got 5-minute CSD from it earlier and it didn't play out. So like right here, we got a 5-minute CSD. Didn't play out. That's why. Did you buy anything from Prime Days? Wait, what? What is Prime? Hey, wait, hold on. Something going on with Prime? Yo, I love Prime.
What?
Prime
You
Days?
love Prime?
Prime Days, like Amazon Prime Days, I guess?
Oh, I thought you meant the drink.
No.
Yeah, it's Prime Day, isn't it?
Is it? Hold on, let me see.
Or was it
45% off.
yesterday or something? Or was
No,
it
no, no.
yesterday?
These it still has 3 hours, 3.5 hours left. It's till midnight. It's till midnight. All right, let me lock in. Let me lock in on Prime Days. Let's see. Let's see if we can get something cool here. What should we get, guys? What's something cool on the Prime Days thing right now that I can buy? I need to waste my money somewhere. Portable charger? I mean, I already have one. I don't really need that. Oh, yo, this is cool. Hold on. Wait, let me see.
Hello Kitty
What do you guys think about this? It's like a whole sim racing setup. The little steering wheel we
Oh.
got. That's kind of sick.
Yeah,
It's
that's
kinda
kinda
fire.
sick. Now you need to get the proper thing. You need to get like the seat and everything.
That's true. I do need to get the seat. Wait, hold on.
Kind of have to have a separate setup.
Ends Friday the 11th. Okay. Yeah, I don't really see anything that interests me. Yo, can this camera focus on me? Lock in, buddy. Hello, camera. Focus. I can't even reach over there right now. It's so far away. Focus on me, buddy. There we go. Okay, we still have an inverse this this gap here, so I'm just watching it. Marking out the sessions. Up to 40% off on Prime, but you can buy an eval for 80% off with code KEY. Spend your money wisely. Yo. W. Exactly. Spend that wisely. I don't really see anything that's interesting me, bro.
Yeah. Maybe full port, like go to sleep. No.
Yeah, full port what, buddy?
24 short. I don't know.
What?
Kind of vibe I'm getting, I guess.
The hell are you on about, bruv?
You know what the worst thing is when you stay up this late?
Hmm.
Get fucking hungry.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
I have a suggestion for you.
Yeah, what I do?
Just eat. Ever thought about that?
I'm gonna capture you, bro, and make you my chef, bro. That's what's gonna happen.
You don't want me to be your chef, bro. I don't cook food.
Really?
Yeah, really.
What are you gonna do when you move out, man?
Have my girl cook.
That's the method, I guess. That does work.
Exactly. Or I'll have Shinbubi cook.
Yeah, I was gonna say, or you just get a shimbu, yeah.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
definitely can cook.
No, he yeah, he definitely could cook.
Yeah.
I'm not familiar with your trading style, but do you ever short resistance or buy support, or do you enter at breaks? I do both. I do both. Yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm going back down. Oh, what the hell? Not letting me go down now. Why? Slowly. Slowly but surely. All right. Oh, we're back. We're back downstairs.
Those legs get tired.
Yeah. My leggies got tired. Uh. Damn, man. Can we, like, inverse this gap and get on with it? Let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. NQ 5 minute. Yeah, I am watching NQ as well right now. We have a 2 minute fair value gap on NQ. I want to see get inversed for me to enter. How do you determine your entry for shorting resistance? This looks like a good entry to me for a move to lows. Didn't make it to 23 or 25 like I thought, but it looks decent. Yeah, so those 20s were resistance, like I was saying earlier. But for me, I use a confirmation model, right? Like I don't anticipate. I'm always reacting. For me, over here, a reactive entry would be once we close underneath this gap, I would enter and then keep a stop at the high right there, and then have my TP at whatever lows I would like. So this is kind of what I would anticipate on NQ. I'll pull NQ up here. Watch that because now gold is doing nothing. Like whichever one I switch to is starts doing absolutely nothing. So let's see if NQ can inverse this. This is on the 2 minute. If we can inverse that, I will get in. Gold's been waiting until London lately. Yeah, it has, and I'm not about to sit here until London. So one of these two gotta give me like something here soon.
All right, Jet. I'm gonna have to go to bed.
All right,
I'm gonna have
little
to
list of
vanish into the
buddies.
distance. All right. See
All
you in a
right.
bit. Goodbye, chat. Goodbye, chat. W's in the chat. Good night.
Peace.
Goodbye.
Fucked over, Matt.
Hey guys,
Backdoored him, bro. Dead ass just backdoored.
Yoki,
that was good.
nothing. Spiffy said the N word on live. He got butthurt.
Wait, did you clip it? Did you clip the Matt thing? Did you clip that?
No,
Like the
someone in my
picture?
chat did. They took a picture. I just deleted it.
Oh,
Yeah, don't drop the N-word. I'm on live. Thank you.
All right. Fair enough.
Much appreciated in advance.
Of course.
You take any? I mean, you don't have to tell me and Tig. You gotta tell Spiffy.
Oh
Yo,
my
Yeah.
Spiffy, buddy. Yo, Spiffy, buddy, can you get a grip?
You just got.
Can you put a muzzle on it?
But you wanna know why he said it? It was because
'Cause
he
you're a
played
nigger.
Clash Royale.
Yo, what
'Cause
is
you're a
wrong?
nigger.
Yo, this guy's a retard, bro.
Who just
Can you
played
ban
that?
him? Yo, Spiff, get
Who just
ban
played
him,
that?
bro.
Who just fucking wait? What
Oh,
happened?
Did you hear that soundboard? Oh my gosh.
You
No, I
guys
don't have.
are.
Bro,
I have my
Spiffy.
soundboard turned off for everyone. But who had that shit?
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
just turned it off
gosh.
on everybody
Spiffy,
too.
bro.
Spiffy, was
You
that
guys
you,
are
bro?
No, bro, I clicked the wrong one, bro.
Yeah, you're an idiot, bro.
Dude, Spiffy, bro, I'm actually gonna
Oh
ban your
my
dumbass,
gosh.
bro. What
clicked
the
the wrong
fuck
one.
is
Dude,
wrong?
not
with
even
you?
with not even the A, the
Bro,
ER,
that was
bro.
Dutch, bro. It wasn't even me.
Wait, did it fucking
gosh.
wait?
We're fine, Shinobi. We're fine, bro.
No, did it
You're
say
okay.
on my stream?
No.
No.
Cause I have my
No.
soundboards turned off in case
Yeah,
there's
no.
retards like you. Spiff, you're a grade A fucking dumbass, bro. That said it on Key stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. That's
It's gonna be
yeah.
okay.
You're gonna have to take down the stream app.
No, you're not.
That's unfortunate.
No, guys, I have my
But what do you-
headphones on. I can hear the stream when I'm gone. Well, you guys aren't fooling me. Shinobi, you gonna trade now? No, dude. I'm fucking waiting. Can't even eat my pizza in peace.
My pizza. My pizza.
Yo, Key, you wanna play Repo after this?
Yeah, I'm down.
Alright.
I'm like pretty good at it too, cause I played it with my homies.
I played it for the first
Alright.
time last night.
Yo, get body cam, bro.
Oh wait, I've heard of that game.
Dude,
Never
it
played.
is so fun. Yo, when I'm off stream, I'll share my screen and I'll play in front of you guys, bro. I guarantee you guys all get it. It's so fire.
When are you
Wait,
getting
let me
off?
search it up.
I'm gonna be off soon here, like as soon as I enter this NQ trade and let it play out for a little bit.
I don't even think I'm gonna get filled, bro.
Somebody said,
Yeah,
"Why am
I've
I not
seen this
surprised
game.
Shinobi eating?"
Okay.
Is he? How do you know he's eating?
Has he told us?
You're
Wait,
eating?
show us.
Gooby?
Show us the pizza. Show us the pizza.
I did, dickhead.
Wait, did you make it
Oh, I didn't see
or
it.
you bought it from somewhere?
Bro, I bought it. I didn't feel like making pizza midstream.
Oh, where'd you get it from,
Papa John's,
bruh? No Francesca's.
it's closed.
Damn.
Papa John's is still fire though. It's just kind of hard.
Papa
What's
John's?
pizza
Nah,
order?
Papa John's is definitely not my go-to, bro, for like fast food, like quick pizza. Definitely not Papa John's, bro.
Really? What
Nah,
would you
it's
go?
kinda
Papa John's
mid.
and Domino's.
Okay,
Mm.
Domino's is super duper mid, bro.
Yeah, I agree.
Domino's is just ass. You know what I haven't
what y'all know
had
about
since I was like
Blaze
a
Pizza,
little
bro?
jit. Huh?
What do y'all know about Blaze Pizza? That shit is hard, bro.
What the hell is Blaze Pizza, bro?
Y'all
Blaze?
never had that? Alright. No.
Order
It's
filled.
just Blaze Pizza. It's just fire. But what have you not had?
Pizza Hut. I haven't had that since I was a little jit, bro.
Oh shit. I look, forgot about that place.
Yeah. All right, hold on. All right, I got in here. We did inverse, so I am in. Could have waited for the retest of the inverse there, but I'm just gonna take that entry there. Stop loss is gonna be that high. Quick stop. Risking 12 points here. 12 points, 1 mini. So not too much risk on the table. And I'm looking for 961. Honestly, you can stretch this a little bit lower, like 919. Like I might even go in 919, honestly, because if it gets down there, this shit's just gonna keep going. Yeah, I'll go 919. But I would manage your guys' trades once we are at these lows. I would manage that. You know what I mean? But let's see. Give it a little time and see. There's no wick on the hourly. Does that matter? I mean, we don't have a wick on the 4 hour, which to me is going to be hold a little bit more weight. Also, this is, if anything, this is just going to be a showcasing a fast move from that BPR, that hourly BPR. So normally it wouldn't, but right now it's like working in our favor. So I'm okay with it. Okay, nice move so far. I kind of wish I added more to this. I'm going to be completely honest, but I didn't. So see if we can get this move here. Did I earn my funded? Wait, why would you, for what? What did you do? Why would you have earned your funded for what? Am I missing something?
Or some shit, bro. You trade fucking futures, bro.
Not even anything important, bro.
Yo,
Yeah, like,
Shin
also-
Booby, did you see the trade I sent in the chat earlier?
Which one?
Our iMessage chat, Hood Politicians.
Yeah.
That was retardedly fire, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I was asleep when that happened.
Bro, I sent it at 11:48 a.m. I check it at 12:46. It is up like, bro, it's up like almost 200%. It was retarded.
Fire.
Damn. It's crazy.
I'm bringing options back to mainstream media, bro.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Bro, I think he needs to do something that's actually been so shit past couple days.
It should be
Look what I
fine
just
now,
said-
now
look
that
at
we
what I
got
just said in
meeting
Hood
minutes out of the
Politicians.
way. What?
Look at what I said in Hood Politicians, Key.
I did. I saw it. Nah, this guy's so unserious, bro. It's something new every day, right?
Yeah, sometimes. But it's like, bro, last time it's like we were supposed to film in Mawa, bro. No, I filmed for Rems. and
Nobody
everything left.
filmed. I know. I wish they
Well,
would take it.
I'm
I wish, like, bro, I would love to do some of this stuff, but I wish they would take it more seriously. They just don't take it
Bro, I'm not a
serious.
fucking cameraman, you know?
Yo, he said he's gonna pay you and feed you. Yo, I
Bro, what
love
the fuck?
Rippy, bro.
In the Hamptons, we were supposed to film mad content. I don't think he recorded a single video.
Yeah.
Rems bought an entire streaming setup just to not stream once.
Rems brought a streaming setup? Oh, yeah.
Did he not?
Yo, he told me he was gonna stream like 3 days ago. He didn't stream at all.
Dude, he's not gonna do it.
Yeah.
Instead, he bought a Porsche GT3.
Yeah. Nah, Loki, like I definitely pushed him to, but it's okay. Cause now I have a twin. Somebody gotta get a GT3.
Oh. Tig drives a 540i.
Hey, why are you driving a
Alright,
540i,
We
bro?
got you, bro. Dude, like, bro. Alright. I don't know.
like, give me one valid like excuse here.
Because, bro, it's like the perfect daily. I literally haven't had a single issue with it since, like,
No, no,
ever.
no, 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 no. Okay, it
Like,
is,
if I
it
had
is,
an
it is a.
M5, like, yeah.
No, it's a good daily. But continue what you were saying. If you had an M5, then what?
Bro, if I had an M5, I would probably, like, blow my brains out with, like, the fucking maintenance.
No, you wouldn't. I
He
had
had
an
an
M5.
Yeah, I know. I actually saw it, but that's just kind of hard. But, bro, like,
I never,
I don't know if I
bro.
could
There was
handle it, bro.
Glaze, unnecessary glaze.
no. There's
Bro, I'm just saying
literally,
the M5 is just hard,
bro. No, there's
I don't
no
know
maintenance.
why it's
What maintenance are you talking about? There's no maintenance, bro. You're gonna spend money
Bro,
on the same
why?
things that you would have on, or that you do on the 540i, where you'd be spending money on like oil change. Bro, the only
then-
maintenance I did on that car was oil changes. That's it.
You've never had an issue with it? Like,
No,
not one issue?
never, not one issue. Bro, it's a new
Oh.
BMW. Like they don't have issues. If you take care of the car, you're not gonna have an issue with it. I promise.
But yeah, no, it's not like an N54, but like, bro, but still, like, I feel like just like it would be way easier to own like a 540i than like M5. Like,
Yeah,
bro,
but then
like,
at the end of the day,
I
you're
don't have to
driving
fill up
you're
every 2
driving.
days.
Nah, bro. Dude, my gas mileage on the M5 was 24 miles per gallon.
You're
Low-key,
lying. You're lying,
probably
dude.
better than your.
There's no way.
Bro,
There's-
I have a
it's-
picture. Hold
why
on,
is
hold
it
on, hold on.
better than
I would get 490 miles to my
There's no
tank. You know
way.
that, right?
There's no way.
490 miles to the tank.
How?
I swear to God.
How? How? Bro, what?
I just like, bro, I drove like a normal human being, bro. I just didn't drive like a dickhead.
Alright, bro. If I have an M5, I'm driving like a dick.
No, like I drove like a dickhead like occasionally, but I wasn't driving like a dickhead
Yeah.
every time I drove the car. Like I'm
Yeah,
mostly
yeah,
just
that's-
chill.
that's
Like
it.
you kind of, I don't know, bro. Like I kind of grew out of like fucking driving like a retard every time I got in the car.
Yeah. I agree.
Hold on, let me see if I can find a. Even my
Yeah,
bro,
it
even
took
my
you- it only
GT3, bro,
took
my
you 4 accidents for that to fucking happen.
yeah, just pulled that so far out of your ass. How about you shut up? The big boys are
Alright,
talking. Okay.
How many accidents you've had?
How
versus
many
me?
accidents? I've had like 2, I think. Yeah,
No.
2.
That's 0.
No, you had the Porsche. You
Okay.
had the motorcycle.
Yeah, which hold on, hold on. Can you explain to me any one of these where that were actually my fault?
I don't care if it's your fault. Did
Okay,
was
there
it
you
the
go.
accident or not? Was it an accident to your insurance or not?
Doesn't matter if it's not my fault, bro.
It does matter.
It
You're not
doesn't.
in a no fault state.
I am in a no fault state.
No, you're not.
Where's this picture of this damn thing, bro?
You
I was
totaled
getting
the
like
GT3.
490 miles, bro.
Totaled the bike. Got hit by a deer on your really old car. I forget what that one was.
340.
340.
A really old car. Not really old.
The
The car was like
M5
brand new.
was hit.
Yeah, by a
That's
deer.
4.
It's because
by
we
a
live in
deer.
because we live in the worst state known to mankind, bro. It's like the biggest piece of shit state with fucking deer everywhere. The one thing I hate about this place, bro, just the Northeast in general. So many deer.
Yeah, that's what I hate about freaking Raleigh, North Carolina.
Yeah, bro. Is that where you live?
Yeah.
Really?
Mhm.
So you don't live in?
Where?
In
Say it. Say it.
New York
You want me
Hamptons, New
to?
York Hamptons.
I'll say it.
If you say it, I'll have to say where you live, and then I'll also tell them your dad's place of work.
Tell him your
And I'll
dad's place
tell-
of work.
Mm.
I'll tell them your dad's name so they can call him. Actually, I wouldn't do that to your dad. That would that's not fair.
All right, bro. You're
My
doing
dad-
entirely too much, bro. Just chill out.
No, I'm doing too much. You were about to say my address.
I wasn't gonna say your address. Chill out, buddy.
Well, how about we have a
Where's
pizza?
Spiff, bro? Where's Spiff, bro?
Right here, bro.
Bro, he's mad at us. He's mad at us.
Why is he still
Unless we
pretending?
get
Why is
filmed.
he still cosplaying being mad right now, bro?
Bro, we need a winning trade for him to actually come back.
Oh
Yo,
my
Spiff, Why are
god.
you cosplaying being mad
Gold.
I'm not mad.
Dude, he sounds mad, bro.
Nah, he's mad. I could tell,
Nah,
bro.
he's mad for
Bro,
sure.
I know Spiffy, and he's mad. I'm telling you.
Yeah, no, dude. Like I hear it in his voice, bro. Like he's pissed.
He just ripped the N-word again.
No way, he just ripped the N-word again, bro. Spiffy. Again?
Bro, can you not Spiffy, bro? Like, chill out,
That's
bro.
the 3rd time today.
Can we all not do this right now, please?
Dude, why is he mad right now, bro?
Because I'm trying to get into a better mood by just chilling out, and you guys are rage baiting me again.
No, well, why are you in a bad mood in the first
You
place,
guys-
bro?
I'm not, bro.
So you got rage
Dude,
baited?
yo, chat. Yeah, look at the general chat.
Uh,
Guys, do you want me to be happy or no?
I mean, no, we want you to be
Yeah.
happy. You're just
Yo,
mad.
this is the only picture I could find. I'm not gonna lie, I can't find the one with the full tank. But look, Tig, that's with like the 3/4 of a tank. It's at 341 miles. So full, it was at like 480, 490.
bro, but going speed limit in the left lane? Are you crazy, twin? Oh my.
Bro, the rest of the everybody else was doing like 15 under, bro. I'd be doing the speed limit in the left lane
But
sometimes.
not actually though. Like that's.
I'm just
fucking hella for an
passing,
M5.
bro. I'm just passing, and then I'm going over into the right lane.
Bro,
But yeah,
on some like no glaze shit, Key drives like a fucking maniac when he wants to.
yeah, only sometimes,
Yeah.
not like, not every
Well, we
day.
have to be somewhere.
Yeah, if
like,
I
one
really
time
if
we
I
were
really
driving-
got somewhere to be,
Or if he's just feeling a fucking like a retard. One time we were driving to his house, and there's like this intersection right before his house, and it was like 4 a.m. And then he stops when the light's green, and then I'm like, all right, this guy's
Oh
about to do
my
some dumb
gosh.
shit. He just starts doing donuts, and like, bro, it's not like he did 1, 2, and then sped away. This guy just sat there, kept doing donuts at the point where I was like, yo, I want to drive around him and get past, bro. After like 40, 50 seconds, bro, this guy finally decided it was enough, and then fucking we continued.
wait,
our
which
drive.
car was I in?
The M4.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You know, I actually have an M as well. On my steering wheel.
Yo, Tig,
I have that
Tig,
too,
stop being
on the
stop being a
X3.
stop being a bitch and just get an M5, bro.
Bro. I might, bro.
Bro, literally,
Next,
hey,
like,
just
couple months.
get a pre LCI M5 and call it a day.
Pre LCI. I mean, yeah, I could. Pre LCI is pretty tough.
They're like 45,
like-
50K.
Yeah, but like, bro, the LCI looks so much better in my opinion.
Okay, then it's
No.
gonna be like 70 to 80K.
Yeah, that's
It's not bad though. Still,
Solid
like
amount.
it's a lot of car for $80,000. I'm not gonna lie to you.
yeah,
Like-
I'm not gonna lie. It is worth
It is a really good car. It's such a good car.
Yo, where's Spiff at?
Like I would buy
Dude.
another one, TBH.
Would you buy the new one, like the G90?
Fuck no.
No one this guy.
Really? Dude, that thing
Hell
is
no.
nice, bro. The
No, it looks
inside, like,
good. I would never spend 140K for that car.
Yeah, no. I would never either, but that
Yo,
shit
Key,
is
are
nice.
you done training? Cause I don't think I'm gonna get filled, and I'd rather play repo than sit here and just keep rage baiting Spiff.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me just say bye to my stream.
Yeah, I'm gonna say bye to my stream.
All right, guys. I'm gonna call it this trade. I'm gonna let run. Okay. I'm not moving my my stop loss or anything. This is either going to my stop or it's going to my TP. All right. That's it. But this is just way too slow for me to sit here, bro. I'm deadass gonna be here until 12 and later, and I'm trying to get an early night so I can be up tomorrow and whatnot. So I'm gonna call it here. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern. If you're in the Discord, I'll see you guys in there. If you're not in the Discord, what the hell are you doing with your life? First link in the bio or the description. Go ahead and join, and I'll see you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.